Welcome back to Belgrade after half a year. Really enjoying it, and this is where they used to make sugar here in Serbia back in the days. This factory is mostly abandoned. So let's have a look inside, see what we find. Let's explore. Here we are. Let's have a look what's inside. See big bags over here. Maybe these are sugar, but I doubt it. Let's go in. Wow, it's full of these empty packages, all the same. From Egypt. Nai rice. No, it's not sugar. It's rice. It's full of graffiti now anyways. The good kind and the questionable one. Over here, it's a big piece of machinery left over from when this factory was in operation. Wonder what this was for. Refining the sugar, perhaps. Going from one room to the next, from one step in the processing to the other. And the setting sun is really making this place look wonderful. Look how the light is playing with this stairwell. Let's head up, see what's on the upper floors. And outside, other parts of the factory over there. Some are still in use, others aren't. Oh, so much light in here. Beautiful. Well, there must have been skateboarding in here. Put a railing up. Another piece of gear there. So let's play Tony Hawk. Coming up on the first rail, hop onto it. Climb. Up to the next one. Up here. And land it. Right, let's leave the Tony Hawk underground level behind and head up to the top floor. Still got the railing here. Oh, that's not reliable at all. Let's not lean on that. Wow, this floor really is a mess. The light is wonderful. Look at these windows, looking out over Belgrade. Look at the view over the bridge we're getting over on this side. Beautiful Belgrade. The elevator shaft is always the scariest in an old building. The doors have been ripped open, and this one is no exception. Look down there. We're on the roof, the first floor of the building. Over here you can see parts of the plant that I think are still in use. And here you can see the part we just explored. The sun is shining its last rays for today on the building. Looks wonderful. Down here in the basement, it's quite scary. You still see quite a bit of machinery that's left over. And a couch for some reason. Wow, look at this. I wonder what this thing was used for. Looks seriously industrial. Right next to the old factory is a theater from the times of Yugoslavia. It's currently closed. We're getting a guide around it. Look at the design, very interesting. What a wonderful space this is, with this old piano giving it so much style, as well as the paintings on the wall. Really, really classy place. This factory hall is right next to the theater, and in the war, 1999, during the bombing, they did a play here. The electricity went out, they lit a fire instead, and continued the play. Alright, it's time to head back out again, back into the real world, back into 2021. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of sugar factory here in Belgrade. I did. I hope to see you next Sunday.
Argument, some general or someone. It's anecdotal. I don't know who asked him to cancel performances, to cancel ballet, to cancel opera and everything. And the general says, please, come on, we don't need that. We need to produce more bombs, more airplanes, more ships and battleships and things. And a gentleman said, oh, come on. Mr. Churchill said, come on. What are for we are going to fight?
Yeah.
What for?
Yeah.
Tell me. We are fighting for culture. We are fighting for good things.
Yes, for a happy life.